Hi, I'm Chris. I'm here at Jayco HQ and I'm here to run you through the features of your Jayco RV. Let's go have a look. For Jayco RVs that are fitted with a slide out, this is operated by a 12 volt system. So we need to ensure that our 12 volt battery switch is turned on, and then we can move over to our slide out switch, push it in at the top, and the slide out will slide all the way out. Now, when you are putting the slide out all the way in or all the way out, ensure that you hold the button down for 3 seconds post the slide out going all the way in or out. This will reset the motors and ensure that your slide out slides in and out correctly every time. So before sliding in our bed, we need to ensure that our bolster is flipped over on top of our mattress, and then ensure that you lift up the bed to make sure that there is nothing in the way of the slide out. Thanks for tuning in, and for more tips and guides, please visit jayco.com.au and we'll see you next time.